Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying Amy precisely: model, firmware, and serial. Explain why this matters. Compatibility and correct replacement parts depend on it. Once done, check power and physical connections. LEDs and error codes tell you where to probe next. Make sure to export or back up current settings so you can restore a known good state if an attempt fails. These first actions prevent wasted effort and protect configuration data, so you can move into targeted fixes with confidence. You proceed by isolating subsystems to narrow the fault. Test power, network, and sensor chains individually because symptoms often mask the root cause. If firmware behaves oddly, reflash, or roll back to a stable build, this resolves corruption without hardware swaps. When a module is confirmed bad, replace it using correct torque, anti-static practice, and matched connectors so you don't introduce new faults. Throughout, document each step and measurement so you can reverse changes or escalate with clear. You finish by reassembling Amy, restoring backup settings, and running a full functional test for at least 30 to 60 minutes to confirm stability. Explain why you need to stress latent faults and validate behavior under normal load. Once verified, monitor logs and set alert thresholds with a small margin to catch regressions early. If the issue returns, gather timestamps, logs, serial numbers, and test results so support can act quickly. This single troubleshooting tip saves cycles and gets you resolution faster.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.